That's weird. It did not come up. It did not come up! It did not come up on Aimbot. What? What?
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Clair County until 9 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Yale to Memphis and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pearl Beach and Harson's Island around 7:55 p.m. St. Clair and Marine City around 8 p.m. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Yale, St. Clair, Port Huron, Marysville, Marine City, Lakeport, Harson's Island, Emmett, Capac, Algonac. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: St. Clair, Michigan.
That was weird. Not an Aimbot.